What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the garage. And I literally just wanted to jump on and take a moment and remind everybody that tomorrow, Thursday, July 1st at 8 Eastern, is our big 50,000 subscriber bonanza blowout giveaway fun time. We're going to do an hour-long live show. Normally we do 30 minutes, but we're going to do a full hour, and we're going to have a lot of cool prizes to give away, such as we're doing a water methanol kit from the guys over at Nitrous Express Snow Performance. We're going to have some free credits from HP Tuners and some HP Tuner shirts. We might give away a couple Goat Rope Garage shirts in the mix. And a lot of just kind of random cool giveaways throughout the hour-long live show, including I'm going to give away one free mail order tune to a lucky viewer, subscriber out there as a way to say thank you to everybody for taking the time, subscribing, liking the content, sharing this stuff. Everybody sharing this content is the game changer, and I get so many great comments and feedback from people that have used this information to learn to tune from a starter standpoint, or how to tune better if they've already kind of gotten their toes wet and just want to better understand. And so it's the way I can just say thank you and give back to you guys as a way of saying thanks. So make sure and come join us for the live show Thursday, July 1st, 8 Eastern. Don't miss it. I want to see as many of you guys out there as possible, guys and gals, as possible. So come join the fun, win some cool stuff, come celebrate with the garage, and thanks again for 50,000 subscribers. Obviously, I do this for you guys. Couldn't do it without you. Thanks again. Oh yeah, remember, ABT, always be tuning.